So in this video, what I'd like to do is to talk about and demonstrate the use of these tuning forks in and around the ears of a client. Now these tuning forks have a very special tuning. They're a bit like, if you've seen the video that we've got covering the healed tuned pipes, these are exactly the same tuning as the tuned healing pipes. And so the biggest one here starts with a low F, an F2, and it goes all the way up to the smallest one here, which is the B, which is B5. And so each of these forks have an interval of a fifth all the way up. So this is a very harmonizing, balancing interval all the way up between all 7 of the tuning forks that we've got here. And they are tuned so that the A is at 432. So they're all in that same tuning. So the F is at 85, the C is at 128, the G is at 192, the D is at 288, the A 432, the E 647, and the B at 969. So that's the frequencies of them. And sound healing is all about the frequency of the treatment. So that's what we're doing here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to play in sequence these tuning forks. They've all got this perfect fifth, highly harmonizing, highly balancing effect close to the ears of Jane here, who's acting as the client. And we'll just work our way up from the low F. And this will have the effect of balancing the whole mind, body, spirit in a very harmonious way. Because this is the ancient Chinese, ancient Tibetan tuning system for the chakras, and then associated with those, the meridians as well. And you could say the nadi in the Vedantic system. So it's just bringing a state of balance and harmony to the whole mind, body, spirit, all 5 elements of consciousness: spirit, soul, mind, emotions, and the body. So then I'm going to put one down, switch hands, and bring the next one in. So the first 2 forks were the F and the C. This is now the C and the G. Now we've got the G and the D. So it doesn't look like much. There's not a lot of activity going on in a way, but it's just very quiet, very balancing, very harmonizing. We've got D in the A. This is the A and the E. And then we've got the E in the top. It's B5. Okay, so if you leave it at that, we've been bringing the notes up, the frequencies up higher and higher. And if you leave it at that, you're going to be leaving the person in quite a high altered state with really emphasizing the crown chakra. And you may want to do some grounding work after that, if that's appropriate before they go. But it's actually quite pleasant to leave them in this state just for a while like this.